Hello friends, welcome to today's video. You can tell from the title, it is Boxycharm time. It is October Boxycharm time. Here's my Boxycharm. Time to open it. This feels like a slightly smaller box than usual, but it feels heavy, which, hey, good thing, small packages. I also feel like maybe there's a liquid in here. I don't know. So I have not been spoiled on anything in this box, which always makes it extra awesome. So let's open it up and see what the theme is this month. Apparently it's Boxycharm. That doesn't tell me a lot. I'm gonna try to open this without seeing what the products are, which I'm not sure I can, so I'm not gonna look at it. Okay. There is a bottle. What is this bottle? Is this what felt liquidy? Boom, yes, it's liquidy. What is it? Ooh, Iconic London Prep Set Glow. I have the brow cushion from Iconic London, which I thought was gonna be so gimmicky, and I love it so much. I've also heard people rave about their highlighters, and this is like look at this bottle, or this liquid. It's like all like mottled and like pink and metallic looking. Ooh, like look at that. Let's take a moment. Will you focus on that? How very mesmerizing. So this looks like a prep spray and a set spray. I'm starting to run out of my Cover FX illuminating setting spray, which I love. It has like the best mister on it and has lasted forever. I will try to remember to put a link down below to my 100 layers of setting spray. It's the same bottle I used in that, and it's like been the only setting spray I've been using. So it has lasted so long, especially considering that I kind of wasted a chunk of it doing that 100 layers thing. So this is the Water Mist Original. Shake well for even glow. Gently spray 12 inches from your face with the eyes closed. Apply this soothing mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. Interesting, before you moisturize. Refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. Okay, so you do get 4.22 fluid ounces. We will see later how much this costs, but for now, let's see what the sprayer is like. It feels fairly fragrant, but the sprayer seems pretty good. Like that seems like a pretty fine mist, although, woo, the thing was coming unscrewed there. Screw that back on a little tighter. And okay, I am excited about that. 1 for 1 so far, Boxycharm. Let's reach in. Okay, this feels like some kind of powder palette product. What do we got? Okay, it's from Dose of Colors. I've never used anything, as far as I know, from Dose of Colors. Blushing Berries, so I'm gonna assume it's a blush palette. Ooh, wow. No, wait. It's an eyeshadow palette? Because there are some dark colors on here that are definitely not blush. Ooh, that's a really pretty packaging. It's like bright red. And I'm assuming, yeah, that's gotta be, yes, it's eyeshadow because it also comes with a brush. So it's all pink and red tones, but there's also a dark black in there and a burgundy. And it actually comes with a very tiny little brush, but it looks like a brush that would actually be good for some detail work. They are all matte shades, but this is, yeah, the Blushing Berries eyeshadow palette. Are you gonna focus for me, camera? I'm definitely happy to play around with this, to do a review, to try some looks, and to test the formula for Dose of Colors because I have not used it before. So far I'm excited about both of these products. Okay, we have something that feels like a, okay, something that feels like a pencil product, which usually I'm not super excited about, so let's see this next. Okay, this is a Black Kohl crayon liner. Usually not super excited about these kinds of liners. I just need to get myself a sharpener. I have so many pencil liners that I've just used to the point where they're not sharp anymore, and I don't have a sharpener. This is the Hollywood and Divine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Okay. I'm not like super jazzed about it, but I've also never heard of this company before, which always gives me a reason to go and research a new company, which I enjoy. So, meh on that one. The next two things both feel like lip products, but let's see what this one is first. Okay, what are you? It's from Mellow Cosmetics, which makes my favorite bullet lipstick that I own. If you guys see me wearing a very neutral color, somebody's commented on before, it's Posh by Mellow Cosmetics, but this is a tinted brow gel. I'm more than happy to try this. What shade is this in? Dark brown. That may be a little dark for me. So I'm testing this as well as the Benefit Brow product from my Ipsy bag, but I'm more than happy to test it. And as I said, the last product from Mellow Cosmetics that I've tried, I super enjoy. So again, not like as jazzed about this. Brow products don't really fire up my engines, but happy to test it. And this last one I think is a lip product. Yes. Okay, wow, something else from Iconic London. So I'm guessing this kind of goes with the eyeshadow palette. This is a, oh, can I read this? It's the tiniest writing. It's a lip plumping gloss. Okay, does that mean it's gonna like sting my lips? I'm more than happy to try it. I might try it on camera for the first time so we can see how it is. But that is a very dark color gloss. It smells minty, so I'm gonna bet that it has like a mint tingle to it. Okay, so not necessarily my favorite box because the eyeliner and the brow gel, but you know, not disappointed with it at all. So let's see the price of these products, because I feel like, you know what it is, there was no like skincare or anything in here, which in some ways is actually okay for me because I have so much skincare on the go to test, and because I take a while testing it, you know, I'm really backed up on skincare, but cosmetic stuff I can test and decide what I think of it relatively quickly. So let me see the prices and what the theme is this month. So the theme is After Dark. The Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. It's a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. Like they're even kind of saying it's a supplemental palette. Its suggested price is $32. The Iconic London Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave it with a glow. Multi-use spray can be used in the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss. It has extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, and it's 100% vegan. Its suggested price is $29. The Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. One of the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps support natural collagen production from a defined and voluminous lip. Its suggested price is $26. The Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, lightweight non-sticky gel formula. Its suggested price is $16. And the Hollywood and Vine Kohl Eyeliner, its suggested price is $7, so it's more of a bargain. Line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. Now, one of the things they are advertising on here on the back is the bigger Boxycharm. It's Boxycharm 2.0. Basically for this, you get a beauty box worth over $175 in value for $35. So for me here in Canada, I mean, usually I think they say this is supposed to be $20 US for this Boxycharm, and mine ends up costing me high 30s. So if this is $35, it's gonna cost me closer to like $70. I guess it depends on what they do with the shipping there. But it's supposed to have better customization and more choice. You receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 for only $25 per month, but isn't that what we have now? I'm confused. There's more customization. You receive foundation or concealer products matched to your skin. Swatch the different shades of the complexion blister pack that we send in your November boxy. So I guess that's how they let us know what shades. Each charmer gets the chance to choose every month. During the choice window, choose one product you like to receive. You can do add-ons, and there's a pop-up store. Okay, so I guess the second part there about Boxycharm 2.0 is what they're going to be doing for the regular box. And then there's also going to be the bigger Boxycharm, Boxycharm Premium. See, now there's Boxy Luxe and Boxycharm Premium. Like, I understand that they are a money-making operation, but there's that fear of missing out factor, right? It's like I pay for Boxycharm, and I pay for Boxy Luxe, so now do I need to do premium because maybe I'll really like the products that are in there and maybe I won't like the products so much in Boxycharm 2.0. I wish there was just like one set thing so I wouldn't have, yeah, the fear of missing out on something good if I don't upgrade to the more premium box. So that's kind of my thought about the Boxycharm Premium. I don't know, I guess I will see. It also says limited quantities starting in November. I may not even get the chance to do that. Who even knows if it's to Canada? I don't think I've signed up for a wait list or anything yet. Maybe you guys let me know. Are you interested in seeing the Boxycharm Premium or just regular Boxycharm? I'm curious if the products are going to repeat themselves. Let me know all of that down below in the comments. I'd be curious to hear your opinions, maybe what you guys are going to do. Yeah, so that was my Boxycharm this month. I'm looking forward to playing around with the products that I did get, filming some videos in the upcoming month. Let me know which products you guys are interested in and what you received in your box, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye.